Hello students, welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 9 Biology Unit 3 Tutorials. Lesson 7, Cell Structure and Function, Vesicles and Golgi Apparatus. Introduction. Vesicles and the Golgi apparatus are essential parts of eukaryotic cells. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the structure and the function of vesicles and Golgi apparatus. Vesicles are small, membrane-bound sacs that carry materials like proteins and lipids. The Golgi apparatus, also called the Golgi body or Golgi complex, is a smooth, concave organelle made of stacked membranes. It processes and packages these molecules for use inside or outside the cell. Both structures are critical for cell function and communication. Vesicles and the Golgi apparatus work together to transport, modify, and distribute molecules within the cell. Vesicles act like delivery trucks in the cell. They are small, stack-like sacs surrounded by a membrane. Vesicles store and transport materials to where they are needed. For example, proteins made in the rough endoplasmic reticulum are placed into transport vesicles. These vesicles then move to the Golgi apparatus for further processing. Vesicles can also carry molecules to other parts of the cell or even outside it. They fuse with the Golgi apparatus or other organelles to deliver their contents. This process ensures that molecules reach their correct destinations efficiently. The Golgi apparatus is a smooth, concave structure made of stacked membranes. It acts like a post office for the cell. The Golgi apparatus collects, modifies, and packages molecules such as proteins and lipids that come from the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As these molecules pass through the Golgi, they are modified to perform specific functions. For instance, proteins may be folded to become active. After modification, the Golgi apparatus packages these molecules into new vesicles. These vesicles pinch off from the Golgi and travel to their designated locations, such as the cell membrane or other organelles. The teamwork between vesicles and the Golgi apparatus is vital for cell function. Vesicles transport raw materials to the Golgi, where they are processed and sorted. The Golgi then sends out vesicles to distribute these modified molecules. This system ensures that proteins and lipids are correctly modified and delivered. For example, a protein needed for the cell membrane is packaged in a vesicle and sent there. Without vesicles and the Golgi apparatus, cells could not organize or distribute molecules effectively. This would disrupt processes like cell growth, repair, and communication. Summary: vesicles and the Golgi apparatus are key players in eukaryotic cell function. Vesicles are small sacs that transport and store materials such as proteins and lipids. The Golgi apparatus modifies and packages these molecules for distribution. Vesicles carry materials to and from the Golgi, ensuring proper delivery within or outside the cell. Together, they support critical processes like molecule modification and transport. Understanding their roles helps us appreciate how cells maintain organization and perform essential tasks efficiently. Review questions and answers. Question 1. What is the main function of vesicles in a cell? Answer: vesicles store and transport materials like proteins and lipids to specific locations within the cell or outside it, such as from the rough endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. Question 2. What role does the Golgi apparatus play in processing molecules? Answer: the Golgi apparatus collects, modifies, and packages proteins and lipids from the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, preparing them for their specific functions. Question 3. How do vesicles and the Golgi apparatus work together? Answer: Vesicles transport materials to the Golgi apparatus, where they are modified and packaged into new vesicles, which then distribute the molecules to their correct destinations in or outside the cell. Question 4. Why is the Golgi apparatus important for cell function? Answer. The Golgi apparatus ensures molecules like proteins and lipids are properly modified, sorted, and packaged for delivery, supporting critical processes like cell growth and communication.